Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mitch, and you're watching Clark's Homestead Adventures. We've had a little trip me and my wife got to take. Got to get some farm work done. So, nice, sunny, cool morning. Let's jump at it. Thank you again. Please remember to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you enjoy our videos, leave a comment. You see something I'm doing wrong, leave a comment. See something I'm doing right, leave a comment. Anyway, let's jump on this and we'll get after today's chores. Hey everybody, we're at Davy Dogwood Park and up here on one of the scenic turnouts. If you can see that view behind me, I'm going to tell you right now, that's God just plain showing off. It is absolutely beautiful up here. This is in Palestine, Texas. And we're just here, a little getaway, little me and my baby time. So anyway, we're getting to spend a little time alone together, which is something we desperately needed. And this is just one of the many beautiful things we've got to see, and I'll try to show you some more. Not really filming a whole lot because I'm spending time with my wife. So but anyway, here's one of them. God's showing off, man. That's awesome. Very, very beautiful. All right, what we got going on? We got this is our old horseshoe pit. We got to pull them up. I'm gonna redo them at some point and make something a lot nicer. But you can see it. There it is. Walk over here, show you the other one. We've had a lot of fun with it, but you know, time to make some improvements. All right, we're gonna pull this up and get it out of the way. Well, we got it up. What's the next step? Of course, we're gonna burn it. Anyway, we'll go to the fire pit, get her fired up. Well, get up. What's next step? All right, we got it started. Let that burn down. And I've got a bunch of sticks around here I need to feed, so we'll feed the sticks to it. Anyway, that's what we got going on today. Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by and visiting with us. Hope you enjoyed everything we showed you. Just kind of what we got going on. Got some, pretty big changes, I think, coming up. We'll let you know more about that, and in the future as we know more. But life on a farm is great. Fresh air. You see the seasons change. We're going into fall now. Leaves are falling, and got goats that are ready to pop pretty much at any time. I've been saying that now for like 3 weeks, and she still ain't had them. Neither's the other ones. Hopefully they'll get there soon. Anyway, James has a special video coming up for you that he is working on editing himself. He's doing it all himself, which is, I'm so proud of him for that. Anyway, we had an amazing trip, and we took you along for a little bit of that. So, everybody, just thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and live life. God never promised another day. Sometimes you get thrown curveballs. Sometimes you hit those curveballs out of the park. Sometimes they punch you in the midsection. But you know what? Not all curveballs are bad. Thank you again. God bless you. Live life. Thank you for joining us.